A computer engineer, a species of great ape family, though it looked like modern human or Homo sapien, but as it has minimum bipedal movement and the ability to look at a shiny object known as computer screen for hours, evolutionary biologists think that it is closely related to other primates like monkeys and chimps. According to Career Survey 2020, there are approximately 30 million specimens alive today. They are allergic to sun or any kind of bright light and has more coffee in their body than blood. Though it is a separate species of human, still it has some other subspecies, and in this video we are going to take a look at which group you or your friends belongs to. The introvert. This is the most common animal of this species who wants to stay alone and is allergic to other people, and so he sits all day staring at computer screen. During COVID lockdown, he had no problem as this is his regular way of life, which is also known to other people as quarantine. They are generally super good at math and problem solving and can actually code without using Google or Ecosia. Extroverts like Steve Jobs use introverts like Wozniak to get super rich, and now if you don't know who Steve Wozniak is, exactly, you proved my point. By the way, he was the main brain behind Apple. Moving from introverts, we have the gadget head. This subspecies own all the cutting edge technologies you have there. Ryzen 9 processor, Radeon RX 6800, a giant curved screen monitor, state-of-the-art mechanical keyboard, RGB gaming mouse, a Tesla car in the garage, and a smart lock which has access all over the house. 10 years later, he will be the one who has chip implanted in his head to write code extremely fast. It really doesn't matter if his smartwatch is useful or not. If it is trendy, it belongs to him. The minimalist. This is the opposite of gadget head who knows how dangerous computers can be as he made a career out of coding. He will never buy a Tesla as it can drive itself back to Elon if somehow he butters Elon by a stupid tweet. He will also not have a house which has a lock which can be disabled by a hacker hacking the database. Bro, programmer or programmer. He generally got a computer science degree while mostly doing party with his friends, cheating at exam and copying others' project during college. It gave him more social life and mating opportunities but reduced his quality of code and so further job as an IT guy. However, all these parties came handy which give him a cool communication skills more than an introvert and so he ended up being a YouTuber. If you don't get it yet, then yeah, your bro fell in this category. And then we have the Hulk. Oh my god, I cannot believe I said that. The Hulk. This is a rare breed of coder who does 99% of the work in your team. Now, some of us say that this is a myth, but actually, it is not. How I know it? Because I have one in my team, and we call him Pritom because his name is Pritom. He codes like Iron Man building Jarvis. He's the special among all the special we have among us. The female coder. Though today almost 90% of all programmers are male, but if you know your history, then back in the days this field were heavily dominated by women. As male had anger issues and so coding was not for them, as coding needed lots of patience. If I have to mention some, then Ada Byron, the first programmer, Kathleen Booth, who developed the assembly language which gave us a chance to do programming, Grace Hopper, who created the first compiler, Margaret Hamilton, who wrote a code which made a computer land a spacecraft on the moon. After that point, men understand that coding is cool and since then programming went downhill. At this point, it is a heavily male dominated field, and so we have these idiots who just change our design and ask us to pay us a kidney for their update, which does nothing. Boys, listen to me carefully. If you ever get a chance to date a female programmer, treat her like a queen because she is a queen. Don't break her heart and marry her if you get the chance because if you lose her, you are not going to get another. And be careful not to piss one of them off because this will happen to you after office. And yeah, she is also a lady programmer and a colleague of mine. The lazy programmer. If you look at him, it don't look he is doing so much. He is not typing very fast in his keyboard and not doing very cool things with fancy animations between every step. This is what everyone thinks what programmers do, but this is absolutely manufactured by none other than Hollywood. In real life, programming is boring, and if you look at his computer screen, then you will see that he is copying and pasting things from the internet. There is a concept among this group called KISS, where no lip touches other parts of the body, but it is an abbreviation of Keep It Simple and Stupid. At the end of the day, if the code works, then it works. End of discussion. And with this, we ended our discussion about computer programmers. Comment below in which category you and your friends belongs to. And also press the like button if you enjoy the video. If you are not subscribed yet, then click right here. If you want to know how we made the first electronic computer, then click in this video. And if you want to see me react to some computer memes, then click right here. See you in the next video. Till then, stay curious.
あらあら、さようなら。